So if we're trying to find the area of the shaded rectangle, we're going to first find the area of the entire hexagon with a side length of 12, and then we're going to subtract off each of these two triangles, and that will give us the area for your rectangle. So we have a regular polygon, so we start with the formula area equals 1/2 of the apothem times the number of sides times the side length. Okay, so we have 1/2 of 6. There are 6 sides, and there are 12 is the length of each side. So let's see, doing all we can, 6 times 12 is 72. Half of 72 is 36. 36 times the apothem. So what we have to do real fast is figure out what our apothem is. So there's your apothem. We know that half the side is 3, and for a hexagon, this angle is 60 degrees. So we should figure out, if we solve this, that the tangent of 30 degrees, the apothem always hits in the middle of your side length. Sorry, this is 6. 6 is half of 12. So tangent of 30 equals opposite over adjacent. So 6 is the opposite side, and the apothem is the adjacent side. So when we solve this for apothem, we get 6 divided by the tangent of 30. Okay, so if I put that in my calculator, I get is 374.123 is the area of the entire hexagon. Okay, so now I'm going to come over here and calculate the area for my triangle right here. Okay, and I'm going to use a special area formula known as the trig area formula, where area is 1/2 of the two sides that I know, so both sides are 12, times the sine of the angle in between them. Okay, and for every hexagon, this is an interior angle, which happens to be 120 degrees. So all the angles of a hexagon add up to 720. So one of them is going to be, did I say 720? I meant something else. But one of them is going to be 120 degrees. So I'm using this trig area formula, 1/2 of 12 times 12 times the sine of the angle between them. And when I put that in my calculator, I get 62.354. Okay, now there are 2 of them. So if I times that by 2 times 2 in my calculator, I get 124.708. Now those are both of my triangles, so if I subtract the 374.123 minus those triangles, I will get what's left over, and that's going to be my rectangle, which has an area of 249.42 when I round to 2 decimal places, units squared.